Cyprus, a beautiful island nation in the Mediterranean, has experienced significant economic growth in recent years. This growth has led to an increasing demand for skilled workers across various industries. To meet this demand, many Cypriot companies are turning to the global talent pool to fill crucial roles. Hiring foreign workers brings valuable skills and expertise to the Cypriot workforce, fostering innovation and economic development. As businesses in Cyprus expand and evolve, the need for specialized knowledge and international experience becomes even more apparent. Foreign workers bring fresh perspectives, diverse skill sets, and a global outlook that can significantly benefit Cypriot companies. This influx of talent helps companies remain competitive in the global market and adapt to the ever-changing demands of the modern business landscape. Furthermore, hiring foreign workers can introduce new ideas and best practices from different parts of the world. This cross-cultural exchange of knowledge and experience can lead to increased efficiency, productivity, and innovation within Cypriot companies. As Cyprus continues to position itself as a hub for international business and investment, attracting and retaining foreign talent will be crucial for sustained economic success. In conclusion, the hiring of foreign workers is essential for Cyprus's continued economic growth and development. By attracting skilled professionals from around the world, Cypriot companies can access the expertise needed to thrive in today's competitive global market. When a Cypriot company identifies a suitable foreign candidate for a position, the hiring process begins. The first step involves confirming that the candidate possesses the necessary qualifications and experience for the role. This includes verifying their educational credentials, professional certifications, and previous work experience. Once the candidate's qualifications are confirmed, the employer must apply for a work permit from the Cyprus Department of Labour. This application requires specific documentation from both the employer and the employee, outlining the terms of employment, the candidate's qualifications, and the company's need for a foreign worker. The employer must demonstrate that they have made reasonable efforts to fill the position with a Cypriot citizen or an EU national before offering the role to a foreign candidate. This typically involves providing evidence of advertising the vacancy locally and proving that no suitable candidates were found within Cyprus or the EU. By carefully following these initial steps, employers can ensure a smooth and efficient hiring process for both themselves and their potential foreign employees. Clear communication and timely submission of all required documents are crucial for avoiding delays and ensuring a positive experience for all parties involved. To successfully hire a foreign worker, employers must gather and submit a comprehensive set of documents to the Cyprus Department of Labour. These documents serve to verify the candidate's identity, qualifications, and eligibility to work in Cyprus. One of the primary documents required is a valid passport with at least 6 months of validity remaining beyond the intended employment period. Additionally, the candidate must provide their employment contract, clearly outlining the terms of their employment, such as salary, working hours, and job responsibilities. This contract must be signed by both the employer and the employee and submitted alongside the work permit application. Educational and professional certificates are also essential, providing evidence of the candidate's qualifications and skills. These documents may include university degrees, professional certifications, and letters of recommendation from previous employers. Furthermore, a police clearance certificate from the candidate's home country, demonstrating their criminal record, is usually required. This helps ensure the safety and security of the Cypriot workplace. By meticulously compiling and submitting all necessary documents, employers can facilitate a smooth and efficient work permit application process for their foreign hires. Section 4. Licenses and permits. Understanding the requirements, in addition to the work permit, foreign workers in Cyprus may require specific licenses or permits to perform certain professions. These licenses ensure that individuals possess the necessary qualifications and meet the required standards for their respective fields. For instance, professionals in healthcare, engineering, and law often need to obtain professional licenses from their respective regulatory bodies in Cyprus before they can legally practice. Obtaining these licenses typically involves submitting relevant documentation such as educational credentials, professional experience records, and passing qualifying examinations. The specific requirements vary depending on the profession and the regulatory body responsible for overseeing it. Employers are responsible for informing potential foreign hires about the specific license requirements for their chosen profession and assisting them in navigating the application process. By ensuring that all necessary licenses and permits are in place, employers can ensure compliance with Cypriot regulations and create a safe and secure working environment. Section 5. Timeframes and processing a timeline for employers. The timeframe for processing a work permit application for a foreign worker in Cyprus can vary depending on several factors, including the complexity of the case and the efficiency of the Department of Labour. On average, the process can take anywhere from 4 to 8 weeks from the date of submitting a complete application with all the required documentation. During this period, the Department of Labour reviews the application, verifies the submitted documents, and conducts background checks on both the employer and the employee. Delays can occur if there are any discrepancies in the application or if additional information is required. It's crucial for employers to submit accurate and complete applications to avoid unnecessary delays and ensure a timely decision. Regular communication with the Department of Labour and prompt responses to any queries can also help expedite the process. While the waiting period can be frustrating, it's essential to remember that the Department of Labour is committed to processing applications fairly and thoroughly to safeguard the interests of both employers and foreign workers. Section 6. Labour shortages in Cyprus, a growing concern. In recent years, Cyprus has experienced labour shortages in several key sectors, including tourism, hospitality, construction and IT. These shortages stem from various factors, including an ageing population, emigration of skilled workers, and a mismatch between the skills available in the local workforce and those demanded by employers. To address these shortages, Cyprus has increasingly relied on foreign workers to fill crucial roles and support economic growth. The government has implemented measures to streamline the work permit process and attract skilled professionals from abroad. However, challenges remain in attracting and retaining foreign talent. These challenges include bureaucratic hurdles, language barriers, and difficulties in recognizing foreign qualifications. Addressing these issues is essential for Cyprus to fully leverage the potential of foreign workers and mitigate the impact of labor shortages on its economy. By creating a more welcoming and supportive environment for foreign workers, Cyprus can ensure a sustainable pipeline of talent and maintain its economic competitiveness. Section 7. Conclusion. Ensuring a smooth hiring journey. Hiring foreign workers in Cyprus involves a multi-step process that requires careful planning and attention to detail. By understanding the legal requirements, gathering the necessary documentation, and following the correct procedures, employers can navigate this process successfully. Clear communication with both the Department of Labour and the potential employee is essential throughout the process, ensuring a positive experience for all parties involved. As Cyprus continues to rely on foreign talent to support its economic growth, streamlining the hiring process and creating a more welcoming environment for international professionals would be crucial for the nation's continued success.